Hi, my name is Eric Brown. I'm the manager at Gary Hofer Farms in Huron, South Dakota. 2019 as a whole, I don't think anybody would want to see a repeat of in the upper Midwest. We started out here with a good-sized blizzard that dumped almost 2 feet of snow. Once we got through that, the year progressively got worse. All the way through July and August, our typical dry months, the rain just never stopped. And as of today, we're as wet as we've ever been going into next year. Well, the amount of times that we had to tow tractors out, I would say we had to pull equipment out more this year than we have the last 15 combined. If we did not have equipment like that, odds are we would have tore equipment apart. You know, just the sheer volume of times that we got stuck, it was nice having that. We didn't lose any axles on our combines, and we didn't tear any beads off of our tires. They were really beneficial to have around. I'd say the best part about the tow cable would be the ease of use. The way it hooks up on the front of the tractor, it's easy to get off, easy to get to, and pulling from the back, that's basically the only way to do it. Then they have the center support down there that keeps it away from them tires, so you're not, if you have to pull off to the side a little bit, you're less likely to pop a bead off the tire, and then you're down then again for a service call with a tire truck. They adapt very well between different equipment lines. We typically trade out tractors every year. We get a new model in, our parts fit right back on the new model, and if not, Lankota will make it so they will. If there's a need for a product in the market, it seems like Lankota is going to find it. They come from a farm-based family and realize what's going on out in the real world. They're on our farm quite a bit, being so close, and a lot of research is done in the field.